Bafowethu, I thought mangiphinde ngenze le video le ngin-update about le case eqeda kuphela kwi-Madlanga Commission kaPhada yakhe. Now, uzokhumbula ukuthi uPhada yakhe into emenze azafike lapha kwi-Madlanga Commission is because wabopha uDumsane, uGeneral Dumsane Khumalo, waphinde wabopha noGeneral uLushaba. So indlela enza ngayo uphenyo lakhe yona engaxolisi, eyenza iMadlanga Commission ibone ngathi bekunesandla semfene kuyo yonke lento le. Akuyona lento ayisho emaphepheni ukuthi bekafuna ukuthi adile ne-corruption nje kuphela. Kubuye ngathi izinto bezingale beyond le ayikhulumayo. So, and one of izinto ezithusa kakhulu izinto kade ezikhuluma ukuthi umzekelo wathi sebabophile ke babophela indaba kaDineo Mukwele. Uzokhumbula ngaye ngakhuluma ngoDineo Mukwele kwi-video endlulile. I think ngiyenze on Monday le video kaDineo Mukwele, just i-background yakhe. So baboshelwe ukuthi basolakala ukuthi baqashe umuntu ongaqualify ukuthi abe yiphoyisa, but bamqasha kwa-Department of uSAPS. So yena ke uma esecela i-magistrate ukuthi uma bekhishwa ngebail uGeneral Khumalo noGeneral uLushaba, kumele one of imithetho kumele beyilandele ukuthi bengayi emsebenzini. So uyayimagine ukuthi upunish ukuthi bangayi emsebenzini, kodwa into abayenzile izathi baqhashe umuntu ekusolakala ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi ungene ngecorruption. So iMadlanga Commission iyabuza ke manje ukuthi yini eyenza ukuthi ke kuyo yonke leyo nto leyo ukhetha ukuthi ufake ube strict kwindaba yebail to a point ukuthi uthi mabangayi emsebenzini labantu. Kufana nokuthi kahle usuba suspendile wena emsebenzini, kodwa uHR wakwa South African Police Service engakayithinti nokuyithinta indaba ukuthi uyaba suspend. Yini eyenza wena ufake leyo bail? Akukona ukuthi vele ubunenhloso engale ukuthi ubasuse emsebenzini na. So ngifuna nilalele le video uyizwele wena mabemphenya ephendula, and just explain before aphendule. I-argument yakhe is that the reason why bagcina ukuthi bengayi emsebenzini okokuqala is that bekazama ukuprotecta investigation ukuthi baze bafike emsebenzini bazofika bemanipulate izinto, mhlambe beconvince ofakazi bemosha evidence yakhe or befaka ofakazi kwi-pressure. So that's why he decided ukuthi mabasuspendwe. But i-commission izama ukumdraw i-difference la ukuthi kaloku labantu babophe because of i-case yokuthi baqhashe umuntu wrong. So akunafakazi ozofika be-intimidated because indaba la isekuthenini kuqashwe umuntu ongelona iphoyisa. Le ukuthi kune-corruption nani ofakazi nani bakule part ye-corruption. So awukwazi ukuthi i-case ka-number 1 i-apply naku-number 2. Bekumele ukuthi mase ufika ku-case number 2 kukhani ke manje bese usu-apply ukuthi mabangayi emsebenzini because badila nemali yasemsebenzini and ney'nsolo zithi badla imali yasemsebenzini. So awukwazi ukuthi usadila necase yokuqala already so bapanishela icase yesibili. Enye into abayireyizile futhi wazi indaba yokuboshwa kwakhe uDineo Mukwele ukuthi umbopha kanjani umuntu because yena okwakhe ukuthi waqhashwa nje kuphela. So why uzombopha? Ngizofaka nje isithombe la njengoba ngikhuluma ngikubonisa uDineo uhleli la uGeneral Khumalo ngapha nabanye. So umbuzo ukuthi umbopha kanjani kodwa umbona ukuthi uqhashiwe, ayikho enye into ayenzile la, ungumuntu owaqhashwa kwaphelela lapha, but when you decide ukuthi naye makafakwe ecaleni lokuthi aboshwe. So makaphendweni uthi cha besimbophela because sisaba amaqhinga eza nawo. So in other words uboshelwe ukuthi kungenzeka a committee crime enze ubugebengu in future. So uyayibona na ukuthi it's one of izinto ezingazwakala impela nje uPhada yakhe ezikhuluma ukuthi njani uzobopha umuntu ongakagangi umbophela ukuthi kungenzeka gange. So ukuthi amayamazi okuya kwazi ukubona umuntu ukuthi uzoba yiphara lo masembopheni manje kuze angasabi yiphara phambili. It didn't make sense at all.
In fact, when I say it's petty, at best it's pettiness, but it suggests something much more sinister because you do not have facts that implicate her in being on the Inkwazi platform, and yet vetting platform.
Yes.
Yeah, you don't implicate her in the Ngube letter, because that letter says nothing about her. And if you want to say, oh, it is that letter that makes me include her with this charge, then I'm going to say, well, you seem to be prepared to suck up facts out of thin air which are not supported by anything. If you say this letter implicates her, the letter doesn't on its terms. It makes absolutely no reference to her.
Yes.
You know she could not have been on the e-vetting platform, according to you, because she doesn't have a commander, she doesn't have a PESAL number. She gets put onto the service provider platform by somebody else. You include that against her. You make her complicit. You say, that's your wedding. You say she was in a conspiracy, she colluded with Ngube in a document that is seeking to get you an arrest warrant against her.
Futhi edonse nje amehlo wazi indaba yokuthi athi i-South African Department nje yonke, i-South African Police Service lapha phezulu ba-corrupt bonke ama-manager nomphathi uMasemula u-corrupt. So uMadlanga uyambuza ke manje ukuthi usho kanjani ukuthi u-corrupt uMadlanga yet i-proof awunayo. So naye ugcina uyavuma ukuthi vele i-proof ayikho ukuthi u-corrupt ubaba uMasemula. So yini engakwenza iphoyisa eli-decorated njengaye, iphoyisa elidala li-investigator lizothi uMasemula u-corrupt? Because usually iy'nsolo ezikanjalo zenziwa abantu abanjengathi, abantu abangawona amaphoyisa, ukwazi ukukhuluma noma yini ungazi ukuthi ama-consequences aleyo nto yini. Yena as i-head of investigator yakwa-IDEC akusinokuthi mhlampe use-police station lo muntu ule phezulu, that means wanyuka ngama-stairs because of i-experience. Yini engamenza asukeleke nje avela athi uMasemula u-corrupt? So uyabona ukuthi indlela engiyibona ngayo mina, i-feelings zakhe beze zingene ngaphambi kwakhe, zifuna ukukhuluma into ayicabangayo more than into ane-evidence ngayo. That's why iMandla Commission isheshe yambuyisa endleleni athi awukubuye nganeno, because ngazo lento oyikhulumayo ayisazwakali. Cela siyimamele le video siphinde siqhubeke kuyizwele nje ukuthi bekwenzakalani.
Externally, when we look at SAPS today, and the number of senior managers, allow me to comment on this. When you look at the state of the national head office and the serious corruption with national commissioners and deputy national commissioners and senior officers being arrested for corruption, then we have to ask ourselves the question is, what is it IDEC's business to go into a space like that?
Has the national commissioner been arrested for corruption? Has the national commissioner been arrested for corruption?
The national commission.
I think you included him when you stated who has been arrested for what.
When I, sorry, sir.
Has he been arrested for corruption?
The national commissioner has been arrested for contraventions of the PMFA.
Is that
That is
corrupt?
linked.
Is that of necessity corruption?
That does not amount to corruption at this stage, sir.
But you lumped.
Now ezinye insolo abhekane nazo uphada yakho was that ungumuntu osebenzela uKhan, uthatha information enika uKhan and uyiphikile lento leyo wathi akayenzi yena leyo nto leyo, but kube khona angazi manzothi iphutha oyini, but uzithole esephunyuka esekhuluma ngokuthi uKhan bekumele abe khona ngesikhathi ku-interviewer lo uDineo. So now the question is, why uzofuna uKhan abe khona laphana? Is it because ungumngani wakho or yini? So i-argument yakhe uthi it's because uKhan ungumuntu omkhulu vele emaphoyiseni, kwakumele abe khona kule interview panel, but washiwa. And ukushiya kwakhe kusuggest ukuthi labantu babemshiye ngamabomu so that befaka umuntu wabo kule position, not uKhan abe khona so that alungise igwegwe. Now uthe esathetha leyo nto leyo, i-commission yangena fast yazama ukumlungisa ukuthi hayi akulona iqiniso lelo likhulumayo, because umthetho uthi uGeneral Dumisani uyena okumele aqoka abantu ekumele bangene. So uyosho ukuthi uzoya bani nobani nobani. So ukhana kusuka ukuthi ngenxa yokuthi semkhulu sekumele akwazi ukuzingenela noma kanjani. So iyona point yokuqala bambeke ngayo phansi. And number 2 is that after uGeneral Dumisane eshilo ukuthi ubani nobani uzoba kule interview panel labantu abazohlala be-interviewe abantu for umsebenzi. Acting National Commissioner at the time was Unkuwa, and Unkuwa was very approval lento. That means it kwakungekho into wrong eyenzekile because yahamba lama process le kwakumele wahamba. And so kuyonke lento why iIDEC yayi interested ekuqashweni kwabantu laphana kwa SAPS bona bele kude yini ebenza bebe interested kangaka unless ukhan ubanike information ukuze bebuye bezolwa ngapha because there was no corruption but they were so interested ekutheni makungena ukhan why kumele kungena ukhan not abanye abantu. So enye into kade bembambe kakhulu and I think kubenzima ukuthi makaziphendulele kule party lena but kunzima ukuthi aphinde avuma asho ukuthi uyohluleka manje ukuvuma or in.
It was important enough that you mention it, that one of the problems or one of the issues is that they didn't include other generals, and you specify General Khan, you don't mention anyone else. You said like General Khan, and the question remains, why does it matter to IDEC? What business of IDEC is it that SAPS senior managers have approved the constitution of this panel? Where do you come in as IDEC?
Chair, Commissioners, this is the response that I can give to it. It follows through from my investigation, although I am saying the panel has been approved by head office, but the recommendation of that particular panel
Enye into engihlekisa kakhulu is that yena uPhandeyakhe akafuni ukuxolisa akafuni ukuvuma ukuthi ibutho uyalibona instead uthi I note. And umama uSiluza wamtshela ukuthi iyanginyanyisa lento yakho ukuthi ngithi ngutshela ukuthi uwenze ukuthi oku-wrong but instead of ukuthi I note mayeqeda uphande kuphinde ukuthi I note vele. So angazi ukuthi ngizothi there's some sort of arrogance or pride yokungafuni ukuvuma noma usu-wrong or usabi risk ekhona ukuthi abantu abasemva kwakhe if evuma i-defeat kuzokwenzakalani. But if you've been listening to lento le kuyabonakala ukuthi la ziyayikhalela indoda and kuzomele bevume i-defeat. And I pray ukuthi uRamaphosa must act kulento lena kususwe labantu lapha kwa-IDEC because kuyabonakala ukuthi ikhona inkinga lapha phezulu and kuliwa ama-battles. Ngifuna ulalele le video nje bese siyayivala vele because
I think my concern is deeper than that. I do not, with respect, accept your explanation, Colonel. You caused for somebody to be arrested. Somebody who, on your own facts, was not complicit in the crime that you describe in the charge sheet. But because of your affidavit and the way the charge sheet is drafted, you caused for her arrest. That's irresponsible in the extreme. That's abuse of power. And it is not enough for you to say noted. No, Colonel, I don't accept that. I worry for the rest of the citizenry. Must I? I don't accept your answer. I don't. No, Colonel.
Chair, Commissioners, Council, I note your comment. When I applied for the warrant, there are 2 charges on the warrant which I took notice of.
By lama attachments engiwafakile I'm sure nawe uyabona nje isamaro ukuthi ibihamba kuphi imadlanga commission but kuyabonakala ukuthi la kusetshenziswa iIDEC ukuthi ilwe nabantu ilwe ne-enemies zabantu abathile and we'll wait for i-report isize ukuthi ithini i-report yemadlanga commission. I don't think kodwa uzosurvive uPhandeyakhe kanye nabanye abantu because kuyabonakala ukuthi whatever they were doing they wanted ukubathola be-wrong but bahluleka ukubathola be-wrong, so they had ukuthi basebenzise noma ngabe yini evukayo encane ukuthi belwe nabo. And again kunzima ukuthi sibeke neside lekapha because angithanda ukuthi ngiye ngithathe iside kungakafiki i-evidence from imadlanga commission but kule case kaKhandeyakhe man iningi into eyenzakalayo and I feel ukuthi iside lakhe alizwakali kahle, kunzima ukumdefenda, kunzima ukuzwa ukuthi uthini kahle kahle, because ezinye izinto they don't make sense. So ngiyacela bafethu ningifollowishe ku Facebook kwami, same name Isaiah Mkhonza. I'm trying to build a backup so that if kwenzeka, because abantu, you may be surprised, but abantu bayawareporta lama video, so I don't know nami ukuthi yini le ngikhulume wrong eyenza ukuthi umuntu azareporte video yami. So ngiyacela ukuthi nifike na ku Facebook, noko ngikwazi uFacebook uyakwazi ukuthi ame abantu mabe reporter compared to YouTube no TikTok. Kuba nzima ukuthi uaphile mabelwa nokuthi video yakhe inenkinga.